In this video, I am going to show you how we can use Beef browser exploitation framework to hijack browsers. So first of all, you need to go to this website beefproject.com or search in your favorite search bar browser exploitation framework, and you need to download it on your Kali Linux machine. And after that, after downloading, you have to install it like I have installed. Just go to your download directory. First of all, you need to extract this zip file and then go to this folder, and here you will see this one script install. So install using this script. If you don't know, I will show you my history command where I have typed the commands while installing. So you can use this command uh, after installation, and after the installation completes, you can go to this file, and here you need to change the default username and password. So by default the password is username is beef and password is beef. I have changed my password, and after that you can only log in. So make sure you are using the root privileges, or you can use sudo command every time you do any changes in the Linux system. Like I look at this command sudo nano config.yaml. You have to type the Kali password and then you will be able to edit the file. Otherwise, your changes will be lost. So if you encounter any package error, you can simply install the package. So this is very straightforward method. And now we, if now you go to the same folder, and here is the script to launch the beef. So use this command. So this will generate a URL first of your IP address. That is, I have on my machine as this IP is 192.168.56.106 colon 3000 slash UI slash panel. So we need to navigate to this address. Just right click it and open link. So the browser will open. Here you will have to use this your username and password. So this screen will open, which is the main screen of your browser exploitation framework. And now we will use one the victim machine, that is Windows 10, and it is on the same subnet on which my Kali machine is on, that is 192.168.56.106. This is because we are using host only adapter, and it is assigning IP address via DSCP. So make sure you have this setting enabled on both the devices, and Windows Firewall is off on the your Windows 10 machine. Now go to your Edge browser and open. You have to open this URL, which is a demo site. You can click this, and you have to open this website on your victim machine. I have already opened it, just I need to change the IP address. So once this demo site is open on your Kali Linux, on your Windows 10 machine, just go to your beef, go to your Kali Linux machine, and here you will see one online browser. 56.106 is your, and 56.103 is Windows VM. It is showing here Windows 10 virtual machine hardware. And now we have to execute some commands like if you want to do social engineering on this browser, like I want to generate a fake Facebook page that will enable you to enter the username and password. You will see a pop-up that will demand a username and password from the victim. You can use LinkedIn, Windows, YouTube, Yammer, iOS, whatever you like. Uh, so simply you have to click on execute, and on the target machine there will be a pop-up. So if the victim enter, because generally we see people have opened their social media accounts, and if this warning is displayed on the user, if he enter anything and click on login, so it will be redirected to the default page. But on your Kali machine you will get the whatever he has entered in the username and password. Username was Tarun and password was test. So you get the idea how this browser exploitation framework works. Also, you can use a Google phishing page also. Just use execute, click on execute, and here you can see on the target machine the Google mail fake page is generated. So in real world, you can also replace your IP address with your domain name. And there is a tutorial on the internet where you can use your index page in Kali Linux. You can replace your index page, and the once the victim opens this web browser, and he or she will see your site, but on this your browser exploitation framework you will see the online browser, and then you can do the targeting whatever you like. So feel free to uh, do the exploitation. Because of the limited time I'm only giving you two practicals in this video. So make sure you perform various other tasks also, like exploits, the like Chrome extension, vulnerable Chrome extension, or browser based exploits. So in this way you can use the browser exploitation framework. Thanks for watching.